Hello engineers, today we'll learn fire alarm types can be extensive, but here are the main types commonly used. 1. Ionization smoke alarms. 2. Photoelectric smoke alarms. 3. Dual sensor smoke alarms. 4. Heat detectors. 5. Carbon monoxide (CO) alarms.
6. Multicriteria detectors.
7. Flame detectors. 8. Beam detectors. 9. Aspirating smoke detectors (ASD). 10. Manual call points. 11. Dear electrical engineers, this channel is for you. If you're a student or professional looking to improve your electrical skills, all engineers will receive notifications for new videos. The first thing you should do is click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.